Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I'm going to go over a little, almost like an I told you so on a '07 Dodge Caliber. Customer came in. This is a constant duty cycle compressor, so it doesn't use a clutch style. It uses a solenoid that changes the valve pitch on the inside, which in theory, or basically just turns the compressor on and allows it to build pressure and suction and stuff like that. So that one was bad. Pressures would stay high even with the compressor on. Guy doesn't want to pay for a new one. Kind of understand, kind of don't understand. We're in Florida, so it's hot as hell. But a new compressor is over $400 just for the part. So he buys a used one. So now, let me show you what we got here. No AC. I could probably let me just turn this on low. So we are, with the AC off, we're blowing out the vents. I just turned it on, so it's still dropping. And as you can see with the AC off, the internal solenoid basically has the compressor on. So this guy is gonna always have the AC running. Let's get back in here. Temperature's still dropping. It's probably 90 degrees out right now. AC is still off. AC button would have to be on for the compressor to be on, but it's not. So this is where buying used parts, you do not know what you're gonna get. So maybe the solenoid might just be sticking and it might work its way out. But if it doesn't, whenever he's not running the AC and just driving around with the windows down, the compressor is going to build a lot of high side pressure. And if the fans are not kicking on, it's essentially just going to eat up the inside of that compressor. So this is where you need to not be cheap, kind of do it right the first time. But look at that, that's compressor's off and we're right where we need to be if the compressor's on. So technically compressor's on even though the solenoid's off. Don't be cheap, guys. But yeah, if you get one of these, this is just a power and ground to test. If you're getting high pressure on your low side with the AC on, as long as you have power and ground here, that solenoid should be kicking on. If that solenoid is bad, change the whole compressor. Do not try to just do the solenoid. Just change the whole compressor out. Check us out next time on Facebook. Hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, keep wrenching.